Welcome to Color Wonder. What's the difference between pigments and dyes? The word pigment comes from the Latin pingere, meaning to paint, so maybe it should really be pigment. In art, it means the colored powders that can be suspended in a binder, such as glue, oil, egg, or acrylic to make paint. Right here, right now, I am using Natural Earth Paint's plant-based acrylic binder to mix my Venetian red pigment powder. Pigments are usually made of minerals, although, as we'll see, they can be made of insects and bones and other stuff as well. The key thing is that pigments don't dissolve in the binder, they stay suspended as they are. Welcome to Color Wonder. We are having a great time on Substack. Join the fun. It's only $8 for the month. 4 weeks of color information, how to play with your color, how to make watercolor, how to make acrylic, and how to enhance it with your own special vibe. Red is one of the original colors. It's the color of our own blood, and human beings are opportunists. We use what we have at hand, and I love that. So it is one of the most instinctive colors, primal colors. It often represents love, energy, warning. It definitely demands attention. A study done in 2008 at the Samford University in Alabama tested 18 young men for muscular power and hand grip. It compared their strength in red, blue, and ordinary white light. The researchers found that the men were stronger when the red light was on.